Now, the other truth is that in my team, the NIS placed a mall a long time ago. You know, Queen. I have a mall on my team because when I got an accident in Embu, for me, nilikataza Wakenya, no, don't speculate. Nilikataza Wakenya, hapana, mwache kusema hii accident was planned. Accidents happen and this has happened. And later, I realized Kenyans were not wrong to be paranoid or to be suspicious. Kenyans were actually right to be suspicious, and I was wrong not to be suspicious. Because the car that did an accident was not owned by an individual, it's owned by a company. And when you search the CR12 for that company in the register of companies and you check the directors, it's a dead end. The driver is somebody we've looked for, and we've not found him to date. Gari hata iko inaitwa ni Mukurweini Police Station. What is that place? Yes. To date we've not found the driver. Yeah? Now, when I was arrested, there's a call that was made from his office around his building. And that call was made to DCI that I'm here. Somebody was called here, akauliza bosa aliposema hapo, that person called DCI. When DCI came to this office for an arrest, they didn't guess. They didn't look for my office. Remember, this compound is so big with so many offices. But they didn't look for my office. They came straight to my office as if they already had the plan and layout of the building. When bombers happened, okay, when I was arrested, this mall was not there. So whenever bad things happen at once, anywhere near bombers, this person is a very close person in my team and should have been at bombers because kama naenda bombers na timu yangu imenijua, mbona yeye anamiss na kwake ni karibu na bombers? Mbona alikuja huku kwa ofisi mahali siko Mandela aende Bomas mahali ni karibu na hata mahali anaishi. So the NIS placed a person in my team a long time ago. When you research this person's history, you are not able to know which primary school they went to, secondary school. They wipe their profile clean. And the best way to win Kenyans has been this person pretends, to criticize the government, to say bad things, to expose projects so that we can trust this person. There's been an attempt to poison my food, and I'm thankful to God that it didn't happen. Na kama singejua that we have a mall, I think by now I would be dead. But I'm grateful to God and to the various Kenyans who've been sending me information telling me be careful about this person. And I have now become very serious about my security. And now I have an advanced intelligence team that goes to the ground before I go to a public event and does, just checking what is the feeling among, for example, in Bomas, I walked into a public event which was organized by ODM, and which people had been mobilized and paid money through in buses, and where there were goons paid, waiting for me because I had said I'm going to Boma. I've never been attacked anywhere in Kenya because I've never said I'm going to this place. Sijaisema leo naenda Embu, ama leo naenda Githurai, ama leo naenda Kitengela, ama leo naenda Mlot Bomet. I've never said it. Hata nikisemanga nasemanga tu I'll be in Rift Valley generally. But because these people knew I'm specifically coming to, KICC, which later turned to Bomas, they planned very well. Kunioa, but they didn't succeed. Because God is good, and because there's a mission. God has given me a mission and I must complete it. That's why He has kept me alive. So from now on, Kenyans, wakati